guys, so we're gonna get started. So today's unit is a Neflyonwigs. So I'm gonna do an unboxing because we are doing the watercolor method today. So they did send over a bonnet. So I love it as well because it's versatile. Reversible. You can wear it either on the gold side or the black side. They did send over some lashes as well. Adjustable band, which is like the elastic band. I don't really use that at all. Some clips so I can keep everything out of the way and in place. And also their pamphlet with other products they have. Also with reviews and other things like that. And a wig cap. So the star of the show today is their Brazilian 13x6 lace front wig. That's supposed to say straight, but it says straight. But it's in 20 inches. It's 150% in density. And like I said, it's a 613. 613 is the best hair you can ever come across, to dye your hair. Less work. It's already bleached and lightened to how it's supposed to be, okay? So this is the construction of the unit. It has the 2 hooks for the elastic bands on the sides. I just don't like the placement. Not too fond of that. It has 3 combs, 1 at the nape. And it also includes drawstrings. Okay, I don't use the hooks nor do I use the combs. So the dyes I'm using today is the Royal Navy. I'm not using indigo blue. However, I don't know if it's the same color as the Kiss Express dye. I think I used midnight blue instead of that, but I don't know if they're the same shade or close. Not 100% sure. But we're going to go ahead and get started by pouring the Royal Navy into the dye. Now at first I just used this because I did this method twice because it was too light. Mind you, if you use more water, you're going to use more dye. Okay, the less water you use, I don't know, I guess you can use less water, but I don't think it's going to be enough to saturate the hair. But when I'm using this amount of water and you want a darker color, just know that you're going to need at least 4 bottles to complete the desired look. So that's why I had to do this process twice because it was too light and I actually ran out both of my Royal Navy, so I ended up using midnight blue or blue black from Kiss Express, and since it did the dang thing. So when I first start off, I always dip the ends in to see how the color is going to come out. Like I said, being though I had a lot of water in there, it still is going to give me that sky blue and just different shades of blues that I wasn't trying to go for, okay? So I did, use the brush as a guideline to help distribute the dye. When you use your whisk to mix up the dye, you want to make sure it's actually very well stirred up, because if not, you'll have patches of dye just all over your hair, and that says you're going to be looking at a mess. But like I said, I did the process twice, and on the second time, I just added the midnight blue, and bam. This is how she came out, okay? Y'all don't know how long I've been waiting to get this color, okay? I think I did 1 blue wig ever, and it was just too light, and I didn't like it. But this was this. I'm like, okay. It came out really cute. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and blow dry the hair. I let the hair air dry just a little bit. I was doing my makeup, and it's not all the way dry, so I do want to go ahead and blow dry it. So I do use my BioSilk heat protectant. And let me tell you guys, when you use BioSilk, it's going to be the best thing you've ever used in your life because it makes the hair soft, silky, and the hair was already like that out the pack, so I ain't even gonna complain, okay? I noticed also about this 613 hair did not give me a lot of shedding. Sometimes with 613 hair, being that it's been processed, it will shed a little bit more than, just a natural black unit because it has been processed. But this one did not shed as bad as 613 units I've had in the past, okay? So it just did about the normal amount of shedding that a natural color wig would do. So we're gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. Now I didn't re-bleach the knots or tint it or anything. I just actually stuck foundation on it, and I used my Fit Me Maybelline in the shade 355 to cover it up. So normally when I'm cutting my lace off, I either stick to the shape of how the hairline is mapped out, and I also cut jagged edges in my unit so it can, lay just a little bit more natural, because y'all know our hairlines is not straight across, it's not blunt, it's just, it's just natural. So we're gonna go ahead and use our TRESemmé Trace 2 Freeze Spray, okay? So I don't know which order these videos are going in, but if you guys, if this is the first video, you guys, I can't talk. If This is the first video you guys have seen, and I have not put it up. It's coming. This video on this hairspray, I'm telling you guys, I don't want to spoil it, but it's amazing. And if you guys already watched that video, then you guys know what I'm talking about. This has been my go-to product. Okay, this hairspray is bomb. And like I said, if the video is not already up, sis, be on the lookout, because this hairspray is going to change your life. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and secure the rest of it down, and then we'll get back once I am finished. Alright, so she's fully secured down, and you guys can see all that, white line. I do not like that. Okay, so I'm just cleaning up the edges, and then I'm going to go ahead and put a silk scarf on so my hair can just melt a little bit more. And then we're going to proceed into creating my baby hairs. Now, I didn't know whether I was going to do baby hairs or not, but being as I can't stand the whiteness around the lace, or just the lace looking, or just the lace showing, I think I decided to put in baby hairs just to make it easier. And you guys already know how to do my baby hairs. I don't know if I have a dedicated baby hair video, but like, I really include baby hair tutorials in all my videos, so it's just like, why would it be necessary? So yeah, I'm actually going in and cleaning up the part. Like I said, they already gave us a part, so if you guys have problems like me, creating middle part, sometimes they already gave us one. I'm just taking my hot comb, and I'm just going through the hair once, and then after I go through it once, I always apply my wax stick again to get all the flyaways and just to have everything nice and flat. Sometimes I like the bump look in the front, and sometimes I want it, looking nice and sleek and straight. So the wax stick, I'm telling you guys, it makes a whole difference in your straightening routine. Now, sometimes I ended up with a fold on it if I press right there, I pressed it the wrong way. But if you just go over it with a flat iron, you can just get that out. But sometimes I just be a little rough. Okay, so yeah, now the dyes that I use are semi-permanent, so after a couple of washes, of course, it's gonna lighten up. So I'm just using some mousse to create my baby hairs. Y'all, mousse has been a staple, okay, in my life. It's just been amazing. Mousse really gets the hair down, and it doesn't coincide with the sprays and make it lift up. Now, again, I don't put the mousse directly on the baby hairs. I just put it on the edge of it, like towards my forehead, so I won't have it lifting up. But if you just like smash it all on there, it's just going to remove your lace. So now I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron my hair. And the Pro-Bliss, I think it's Babyliss. I don't know which flat iron this is, but just check the description box if you guys are wondering. But y'all, this flat iron has been my best friend. I don't have the patience to do, teeny tiny sections. I like to do a big section, and with the width of the flat iron, it's just able to get a lot of hair, and it just quickens the process for me. So overall, this is pretty much the final look and what I was going for. I love how the color turned out on this. And like I said, I have a black shirt on, and I wanted to show you guys that for a reason, because this hair was not shedding. There's not too many 613 hair that you can find that doesn't shed all over the place. So I'm really impressed with this hair. I didn't have any problems with this hair tingling up on me at all. Okay, like I said, it will give you minimum shedding, but most 613 units that I work with will shed up a storm. So all information will be in the description section below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, see you guys later. Bye guys.